Welcome back to the Hotep Money Channel, where we cover the latest in artificial intelligence and finance news. I'm your host, Hotep Jesus, and today I have 5 stories for you. Without further ado, let's get to the first one. Oracle stock finally jumps after dumping over the last several weeks. Why did they dump? Well, it looks like they joined a group of investors slated to lead the TikTok U.S. operations. In a memo to employees Thursday, TikTok CEO Z Chu said the social media company's U.S. division will be run by a joint venture that includes Oracle, Silver Lake, and Abu Dhabi-based MGX. The deal is expected to close January 22nd. I would probably set an alert on your phone for January 20th, January 21st, and try to get that maybe stock, not financial advice, do your own research, but get the stock so that when the news hits, you can sell, Not financial advice, do your own research. The agreement prevents the popular social media platform from getting banned after President Joe Biden signed a law requiring a divestiture of the company's U.S. unit due to national security concerns. So looks like the TikTok division is going to be owned by U.S. corporations. So look out for that. Meta, Mark Zuckerberg's company, is making big moves. He's got a lot of catching up to do in the AI space, especially with Anthropic and OpenAI. So Meta Platforms is readying a technological offense for 2026, says Yahoo Finance, developing a suite of next generation artificial intelligence models designed to challenge the dominance of OpenAI and Google. The Wall Street Journal reported on Thursday. The social media giant is working on a high stakes image and video focused AI model codenamed Mango. Concurrently, the company is developing Avocado, its next major text-based large language model. The models are expected to be released in the first half of 2026. Yesterday, I showed you that new update by, I think, what was it, Apple open source, where they turned 2D images into 3D images. So, yeah, AI imagery and video is a huge move right now. And so, yeah, it looks like Meta wants a piece of that market share, and they should. It's a big thing happening right now in the AI space. At this moment, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button so you never miss another one of these informative and profitable updates. CoreWeave, finally, another company that's been getting battered over the past few weeks. CoreWeave finally has a nice, beautiful day. And why? Well, Citi resumed coverage of CoreWeave with a buy rating and a price target of 135, although that is down from 192 following a period of restriction. While the company posted strong bookings growth of 85% quarter over quarter on Q3, supply constraints and PowerShell capacity delays hurt revenue, the analyst tells investors in a research note. Citi sees a robust demand outlook for CoreWeave and says the company's capacity is on track through Q4. So CoreWeave had a nice day today. It definitely should be on your watch list at the very least when we're talking about building out your AI portfolio. Next up, Apple and Google. Apple and Google looks like they're working together. Wedbush analysts led by Dan Eves predict significant developments in the tech sector by 2026, including a 20% rise in tech stocks. Apple and Google are expected to formalize an AI partnership centered around Gemini, enhancing Apple's AI strategy and potentially boosting its market cap to $5 trillion. The report also highlights Nebius as a prime acquisition candidate for major companies like Microsoft, Alphabet, and Amazon. Leaps and longs are looking good for Nebius. Nebius, NBIS. Remember I said it here first? Look out for it. Add it to your watch list at the very least. We got more analysts weighing in on AI stocks. 5-star Mizuho, securities analyst Vijay Rakesh reiterated a buy rating for AMD. AMD had a nice rally today. 5-star Truist financial analyst William Stein also maintained a buy rating for the shares. However, the analyst also lowered his price target to $277 per share from $279 per share. A little meager adjustment. He also highlighted Nvidia and Broadcom as semiconductor stocks that will benefit from the AI boom. Interestingly, Stein doesn't have the same hope for Intel, which he has assigned a hold rating and $39 price target, suggesting a 7.5% upside. Keep your eye on these AI stocks. It is big, big news right now, and you definitely want to be a part of the boom when it booms. Anyway, this was your finance update of the day. I'll see you next time. Get out of here.
You was training me, man, when it was training day, like Denzel.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.